Happy International Youth Day to all young Nigerians at home and in diaspora. Ours is a land blessed with the inexhaustible energies and brilliance of young people. Every day, they keep breaking new boundaries and records in almost every human endeavor. The creativity that lives in the heart of the average Nigerian youth shines bright like the sun. I must acknowledge and appreciate the innovators that powers the economy and create technology that has changed lives. People like Michel Elegbe, Tarabi Alebiosu, Anyedi Udo Obong, Odunayo Eweniyi, and Abisoye Ajayi Akinfolani, and many others who are leading the way, embellishing through their enterprises, their creativity, and their vision. Our nation is fast-growing reputation as the best place for tech entrepreneurship on the African continent. Our future is full of hope and excitement, in part because of the work these men and women have done and continue to do. I celebrate them all. In entertainment, Nigerian youth rule the world, from Grammy Award winner Burna Boy to Tiwa Savage, Davido, Wizkid, Tems, and so many other fantastic artists. Our music is moving people and making them dance in major venues across the world. They are our ambassadors of hope. What can I say that has not been said about the new queen of the tracks, Tobi Amusan, record breaker, Ese Brume, fearless wrestler, Odunayo Adekunroye, and speed setter, Favor Ovili, but a few of the young ladies showing the men how it is done and showing the world that Nigeria is more than just a footballing nation. We have superstars in the making throughout the length and breadth of this country. It is the responsibility of government to find and nurture these talented individuals, that their success might bring pride, joy, and excitement to our people, and renewed hope to generations of Nigerians to come. Nigeria is set to take its rightful place as a global powerhouse, and it is the endeavor of younger Nigerians in business and technology, in entertainment and the art, in the politics and in sport, with guidance from those that came before to lead the way. These leaders of tomorrow will catalyze the process. Together, let us make that promised future a reality. Naija youth know they carry last. Happy International Youth Day.